Hello and welcome back. I'm Randy Newbert from VoodooFX. In today's video, we'll be talking about on and off switching. So let's get started. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about switching and how switching operates. So a lot of people have got the misconception that switching works off positive and negative. And I want to make it very clear that we're only going to be using the positive side to control switching. I think the best way that I can explain this is by doing a small diagram to explain how the switching actually works. So let's switch to the diagram. Okay, so the best way that I think I can depict this is by showing a small diagram of actually how the switching is done. So let's start off with the first and most basic component, which is going to be a battery source or power source. So I'm going to draw this as a small box with a connection for the ground and a connection for the plus. So to make this so we understand that we're on the same page here, I'm going to depict this by putting positive up here in red, negative down here in ground. So this is power. Okay, and then I'm going to draw what we call the on and off switch. This could also be depicted as a momentary switch. Usually has two little leads coming out of it like that. And the final is going to be the light source. And in this case, what I'm going to do is mark this short as ground. Sorry for the crude drawing here. And then this is going to be plus, and then we'll just make this red. Okay, so here we have two main things. We have the LED, which is here. We have a switch, which is there. And then basically what we've got is, now we got to, I'll show you how this works. So where people always get confused a little bit is using positive and negative. They think that this has to do with the switching end. But really what we're doing is we're just going to interrupt the actual positive side of the power, so the power cannot continue along and be directly shut off to either a light source or a circuit board or anything that the power is continuing onto. So basically how you wire this is the positive side would come out of here, and we're going to start over the battery, and the battery, it would run across here, and then it goes straight up into the switch. Then it's going to come out of the switch, and it's going to go to the LED or another circuit board or whatever you want to call it. And we're going to put a little inline resistor here just so we know that we're protecting the LED. So this is how the switching operation is done. On either, this could be either a momentary switch, or this also could be just a standard on and off switch. So when the switch is switched on one side, it's either the switch is open, or if it's switched to the other side, the switch is closed. So this allows the power to go to the switch and be controlled at the switch, and then either be switched either side, either to the left or to the right, and then this will continue the power to the source. Now, the one key thing that we have to also bring in here is we need a way to complete the circuit, because right now we cannot complete the circuit without having a ground hooked onto it. So this is really simple. All grounds can hook together, and basically we're going to take the power source directly to ground. And then this now makes a full circle circuit. And this is how we do on and off switching. And I don't know if I should go into any more detail about how switching actually operates in this area, because this is the most basic setup. So anyway, I'm going to post one diagram that'll be up here in the video that'll actually show you, again, this is the same system as what I'm showing you here, but I thought it'd be easier just to show a physical drawing of how we actually do switching. So again, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. And if you want to have any questions regarding this, you can contact us directly. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.